How to make the most effective hand sanitizer at home. Before you start making your hand sanitizer at home, there is a very important point to note. Isopropyl alcohol is highly flammable and will burn your skin should it come into direct contact with your hands. We recommend using nitrile gloves as a general precaution. Once you're ready to get started, here's what you need to do. Pour the isopropyl alcohol and aloe vera gel into the bowl. As hand sanitizers need to contain at least 60% alcohol to be effective, you should ideally maintain a 2-to-1 ratio of isopropyl alcohol to aloe vera gel. For every 2 ounces of isopropyl alcohol you add, you should mix 2 ounces of aloe vera gel. Add essential oils to the mix if needed. You don't necessarily need essential oils, but if you like a particular smell, you can add a few drops of oil. Stir the ingredients together with a spoon and pour them into plastic bottles using a funnel. Your hand sanitizer is ready to go.